Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, where we'll guide you through the setup process for the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 extender, model AX1800. This weatherproof, high-power device will help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage outdoors, ensuring a strong and stable connection in your garden, patio, or large outdoor spaces. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a PO injector, a power adapter, 2 detachable antennas, a mounting kit, and an installation guide. The extender features rugged weatherproof housing, which makes it ideal for outdoor installation. Now, let's connect the extender. Attach the antennas to the extender. Using the PO injector, plug the Ethernet cable from the WAN port of the extender into the LAN port of the injector. Next, connect the PO injector to the power outlet using the provided adapter. Once the extender is powered on, you'll need to configure the settings. Begin by connecting your computer, smartphone, or tablet to the WAVLINK extender's default Wi-Fi network, which should appear in your available networks list. This step prepares the device for setup. Launch a web browser on your connected device and type in the default IP address, typically 192.168.10.1, into the address bar. This will take you to the extender's configuration login page for setup. You'll be directed to a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. By default, both the username and password are set to admin. Be sure to input these details to access the setup interface. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main setup dashboard. From here, select the repeater mode option, which is designed to extend the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network, enhancing its range and signal strength for better connectivity. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks, and enter your Wi-Fi password. You can also customize the extender's network name and password, or keep it the same as your main network for seamless roaming. After the setup process is finalized, the extender will automatically reboot to apply the new settings. At this point, disconnect from the default Wi-Fi network and reconnect to your newly extended network, which will now provide improved coverage and performance. Position the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi extender in a central, elevated outdoor location to ensure maximum coverage and optimal signal strength. Utilize the provided mounting kit to securely fasten the extender to a pole, wall, or other sturdy surface for stability. After placing the extender, perform a speed test on your connected device to ensure that the extended network is providing strong and stable internet coverage. If needed, you can adjust the positioning of the extender for better performance.